Welcome to our channel. I'm Veronica. In this video, we will present to you updates and changes in the month of July that may affect our lives in Germany in one way or the other. So, if you like this format, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos as a sign of support. So, what can we expect in Germany this July 2025? Let's dive in. 1. Foreign bank account reporting. Millions of foreign bank accounts held by residents connected to Germany will be reported to the Federal Central Tax Office. This reporting system is not limited to wealthy individuals. It applies to anyone who holds bank accounts in any of the 115 countries participating in the automatic exchange program. These countries include many EU member states, as well as other financial hubs such as Turkey, Switzerland, Dubai, Liechtenstein, Cyprus, and Luxembourg. The information exchanged between countries includes detailed data such as account numbers, personal identification details, account balances, and records of capital inflows. This data sharing is part of an automatic exchange process that will be fully operational by September 30, 2025. The primary purpose of this initiative is to prevent tax evasion by increasing transparency and enabling tax authorities to identify undeclared foreign assets more effectively. 2. Tax return deadline. The deadline for submitting mandatory tax returns for the tax year 2024 is July 31, 2025. This deadline applies to a broad range of taxpayers. It includes self-employed individuals, freelancers, and landlords who are required to file their returns by this date. Additionally, married couples who are assessed under tax classes 3 and 5 must also meet this deadline. Retirees whose income exceeds the tax-free allowance are likewise required to submit their tax returns by July 31, 2025. The same applies to individuals who hold secondary jobs classified under Tax Class 6, as well as those receiving income replacement benefits, such as parental leave payments, unemployment benefits, or sick pay. For taxpayers who choose to work with a tax advisor, there is an extended deadline. In these cases, the submission deadline is pushed back to April 30, 2026, allowing more time for professional preparation and filing. 3. Parliamentarian salary increase. Diäten. Bundestag members' salaries will increase by 5.4%, which is about €11,1834 monthly. It raises questions of fairness, given that pension increases are lower. 4. Increased garnishment exemption. For individuals facing wage garnishments, the protected portion of their income has been increased. The minimum exempt amount rises from €14.91 to €15.55 per month. Additionally, there are higher allowances for those who have dependents, providing extra financial protection. The overall goal of these changes is to ensure that, despite wage garnishments, individuals can still maintain a basic minimum standard of living. 5. Pension increase. Starting in July 2025, pensions will increase by 3.74%. However, this rise carries a potential downside. Some pensioners may see their monthly income exceed the tax-free allowance of €1,296, which could mean they are required to file a tax return. On the bright side, widows and widowers benefit from an increased exemption for additional income. This exemption will rise from €1038 to €1077 per month before any deductions are applied, providing them with slightly more tax relief. 6. Nursing care insurance contributions. Pflegeversicherung. Retirees are required to make a one-time retroactive payment amounting to 1.2% of their monthly pension. This payment covers the period from January to June 2025, reflecting an earlier rate increase of 0.2% that was already applied. This obligation applies even to new retirees who start receiving their pension in May or June 2025. They must also pay the full retroactive amount. On a positive note, the minimum wages for nursing staff will increase starting in July 2025. 7. Better pay for nursing staff. Minimum wages for nursing staff will rise nationwide starting in July 2025. Nursing professionals will earn $20.50 per hour, qualified nursing assistants €17.35 per hour, and nursing assistants €16.10 per hour. While this is expected to lead to higher care costs, it also aims to make nursing jobs more attractive and better rewarded. 8. Relief for caregivers. Starting in 2025, the budgets for short-term care and preventive care will be merged into a single, more flexible annual fund of €35.39. A key improvement is that the previous requirement of having provided care for at least 6 months before accessing the funds has been abolished. This change makes it much easier for families to get support when they need it. The new regulation applies to individuals from Care Grade 2 and up. This combined fund is designed to help families better manage situations like sudden illness, personal emergencies, or simply the need for a break from caregiving responsibilities. This video provides a clear overview of financial changes in Germany for July 2025, focusing on foreign account reporting, tax obligations, pension adjustments, increases for politicians' salaries, strain and relief measures for pensioners and caregivers. These are the key updates and events to expect in July 2025. We hope this month brings positive developments for all of us, despite the changes. We wish you and your loved ones a beautiful and peaceful month of July. If you enjoyed this content, we'd really appreciate a thumbs up as a small token of support, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Cheers, and see you in the next video.